And so I would wake up, and my mom's like, look, mijo, look what I made you. And I run to the kitchen. I'm like, oh, there was eggs, potatoes. We call them papas in our house. We have papas. And then you hear something sizzling in the pan, and what is that? Bacon, right? I'm Hispanic, so my mom's always throwing chorizo in the egg. Oh, man. Forget about it, right? And then we had beans from last night, right? Because we don't throw food away, all right? My mom's like, mijo, I smashed the beans. That way they're new. Oh, man, we had that last night, right? I saw them in the fridge. They were in the butter jar. I saw them in the fridge, right? You know what I'm talking about. One time I opened the butter jar, there was actually butter. I was like, I can't believe there is butter. So I told my mom, this is good. I'm a little kid. I'm like, Mom, what is this? She goes, that's chorizo. I go, what's that? You know, you never want to ask the Hispanic family, what are you eating? Because sometimes we don't even know, all right? Chorizo, I still question it. I don't even know what it is. But I asked her, what is it? She goes, it's Mexican sausage. I go, what? Mexican? What makes sausage Mexican? You know? I was like, do I poke it? It goes, I didn't know, all right? I was trying to figure it out. And my mom goes, no, mijo, they call it Mexican sausage because you take a bite out of chorizo, like your mouth, it has a fiesta. I go, what? That doesn't make sense. I go, let me see. So I took a little bite, and my mouth went, right? I almost dropped my hat, started dancing around it. That's how good it was, all right? Now, my mouth was having a fiesta, but my stomach was going, brrr. And everybody in the room knows what that is. That's a 2-minute warning. That's what that is, all right? My mom would feed me chorizo and then send me to school for like 8 hours, you know? No wonder I couldn't sit still, man. I tell you.